you once you begin your broad.
Hey guys, today is Thursday. It is January 2nd, and the room is still closed, and I'm about done for the day. I wanted to do a quick wrap up video, show you guys how the bots did today. It was a very active trade, both longs and shorts. I'm going to go through the bot. I'm going to go through the trades that it took. I'm going to point out some things in some of the higher probability charts that we've been able to identify. And bear with me one. All right, guys, I had to shut off my news. Let's see here. All right. So before I do that, I'm not going to waste anybody's time with actually reading the disclaimer, which I read every single day. But for those of you guys that may be aware, U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards. You guys can see that on the screen. Also, CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. All of the bots traded both in sim in sim, and I did take some live bot trades today, which I will show you. Okay? So there is your disclaimer, and I'll get on with it. Let's start with Russell. I don't really trade the Russell, guys, but in any event, this is the Russell. The Russell was up $420 today, right here at the open. This was the first trade. I generally turn these on somewhere between 9:30 and 9:35 and the indices, and it caught this short, which you guys can see here. And of course, targets were all hit. 3-contract trade. Again, this is a sim trade, but a 3-contract trade for $420 on the Russell today. Okay, that is well, that's not true. The 500 tick, which I hadn't shut off, just fired a short. We'll see where that might be at the end of this short video. Those are the only 2 charts that I trade the Russell in, but currently this is off. Most of my bots, in fact, all of them should be off. But 1 trade on the Russell for $420. I'm just going to kind of systematically go through these. This has become one of my top 3 favorite charts to trade, which is silver. And silver gave along here. Now you'll notice the purple background here on silver. That's the chart is off. In the testing that I've done, the back testing and forward testing with silver, where silver works the best is from 3 a.m. Eastern, so the start of the European session, through 11 a.m. Eastern. It takes very few trades. This is a high probability chart. It's a 6-range chart using a 5 and a 15-minute time frame as confirmation, but altered moving averages and settings. In any event, this fired the trade here at 5 a.m. this morning, and obviously both targets and then some were hit. So silver on a 2-contract trade was up again today, $600. But this is a chart that I truly like. So that's silver. There were no trades in the YM. I actually would have had a trade on the 13 range here. I don't trade the YM much. Let's see here. Yeah, there should have been some trades. So you get a trade. I wouldn't be here. It would get this losing trade here, this winning trade here, and then this winning trade here. The YM, it's off. The YM would have been up on the day, but I don't have it on. I rarely trade the YM. I don't particularly care for it, and it is of little interest to me. Moving around. Here's gold. This is gold on a 500 tick. Gold was up $350 today. I turn gold on generally about 8:30. So if we go to 8:30, right after the opening, we don't get a trade until here at 9:27. So it looks like gold starts out with a loss on the first trade, but it quickly snaps back and reverses and then gives you this long in here. winner, both targets hit. It gives you this short, winner, both targets hit. And it gives you this long as well, both targets hit. A little bit of chop in here, short, failure. That takes a loss. And now another short. I'm already off, but that short fired, another winner, not quite to second target, but up $350 on the 500 tick. What's become probably one of my favorites to trade is the Unorenco. The Unorenco was actually up $730. Again, if we go back to 830, which is generally when I turn my gold charts on, there's no trade here. We don't get our first trade on the Unorenco. Oh, sorry, fellas. We don't get our first trade until here, which is right at 954. You can see both targets are hit. We then get another long or a long, and you can see both targets hit. And it is would currently be in this short. First target's been hit. Your trailing stop would be here, but I've shut it off. It's done for the day, up $730. So not bad. A combined $1,080 on the two gold charts. I'm not going to bother adding the totals today, but gold is a combined $1,080. You've got $600 on silver. So you've got almost $1,700 on just two charts. Crude on the few charts that I traded on, and crude on the two charts that I traded on, didn't do much today. It's off here. Didn't get this short. Did not do much here. Up $100 on that. 500 tick. And then on this Unorenco, just took a losing trade in here. Up 170 on the Unorenco. So not much with crude today. The winner of the day. And again, well, let me show you the ES. And I'm getting to the NASDAQ. So I'm going to show you the ES. This is also a high probability chart. It does not take many trades, very similar to silver. This is an 8 range using a 5,000 tick and a 750 tick. Takes very few trades, but you can see that it took one trade today, and the Unorenco, or this Unorenco, or 8 range, my apologies, 8 range on the ES, one trade up $400 today. So this is the trade that the Unorenco took. 8 range, I'm sorry, 8 range took here. Both targets were hit. So another $400. This is RB gasoline. This is gasoline, guys, on the Unorenco, and it just took its first losing trade. It was in that trade, finished up 835, but I want to show you where it's been since this morning. I turn these on about 9 o'clock. All right, so just after the opening of crude, I turn crude and RB on. So the first bunch of trades, winner and then some, winner and then some. This is a small winner for first target only. In here, another winner. So 4 for 4 here. This was up over $1,200 until this last trade. Another winner. 5 for 5. Another winner. 6 for 6. And then it just took this one, 6 for 7. So 7 trades, 6 winners, up $835.80 on 3 contracts on a $4.20 instrument. The euro also a higher probability trade. Now this is also a Unorenco, and it's trading kind of secondary time frames between a volume and a second, kind of some odd numbers. 215 volume and a 129 second, so not quite a minute and a half, but this is what we've identified as a high probability trade. It took one trade today, 1056, both targets hit for 131 bucks. I don't really trade the currencies, don't really care to, but the point is the same, right? When we can identify the higher probability charts, the trades generally work, and we're generally green. Let's see here. Nothing on any of the other ES charts that I trade. They're off. Copper, again, no trade. Natural gas, no trades. And I think the only chart I have yet to show you guys is the NASDAQ. Let's talk about the NASDAQ. Here's the NASDAQ on a 15 range. Up 600 today, trading 4 contracts. Took a couple of small losses. Now I turn these on generally about 9:30, right after the opening of the market, as soon as we get our pullback, whether we're looking for longs or shorts. But here's the first trade of the day at 9:32. Targets hit. Here's the second trade of the day. First target hit. Here's a losing trade. Here's another nice winning trade. We're just about ready to close Europe, guys. But here's another trade, winning trade. Here's another long that fails, short that fails. So we're getting chopped up in the middle here. But another winning trade on the long, and it's still in that trade. If you were trailing, you'd still be in the trade. But up 600 bucks on that. Here is my live account. And this is the chart that I like the best. This is the Unirenco on the NASDAQ. You can see I'm up 525 bucks. Okay, I took basically one trade today. I'm waiting until Monday to really get back into the swing of things. I took this long here, 933. Both targets hit. 4 contract trade, $525. But it does get another winning trade here. Another nice winning short here. Another nice, nope, doesn't take that. Here's a failure about 1 or 2 ticks to target. Another failure, and then another winning trade. So up 525 on the one trade in my live account. And if I go to the sim account, the sim account was up 550. So overall, the Unirenco would have been up about $1,000, a little over $1,000, and that was the NASDAQ. So I've shown all of the charts that I trade, and you can see, guys, that the bot performs very, very well. I did not bother adding the totals, but it's well in excess of $2,600, $2,700, $2,800. You guys that are watching this video, I'm sure you've seen many of my other videos, and I'm sure you're aware of the price increase on the bot. I'm going to show you where I'm at this point. Okay. So the bot, guys, I'm just going to skip down to the price. The cost of the bot ownership has increased to $29.97. I will be doing a webinar at the end of this month. I believe the 21st. The webinar special pricing will be $24.97 for the webinar. So in advance of the webinar, I'm now offering the bot alone for $2,497. If anybody's interested, it's a couple of $100 difference from where I was previously, but that will be the webinar special pricing, $24.97. If you'd like the strategy, the back testing capabilities, that is not included in the $24.97. But you can purchase the strategy for $249. Okay? I'm often asked, do I have to have the strategy? The answer is no. I'm constantly back testing. I'm constantly updating our website. I'll show you very quickly. So for those of you that maybe don't want the back testing strategy, this is updated information for all of my current charts. So all of the charts that I'm currently trading are here. And I update those, okay? I've also put in the high probability time frames in here. So for those of you that may not want to take 15 trades or 20 trades a day on the bot combined, I have high probability setups in here. Once again, if you're interested in owning the bot, you can buy the bot for the pre-webinar pricing of $24.97. That is the bot alone. You will still get 3 months in the room. You will be added to the member Skype. You will always be in the member Skype. You will get one-on-one help if you need it. All you have to do is ask. There's no charge for that. You will always attend education. You will always have membership to the members area. Guys, if anybody's interested, I think you know the drill. You can either email Lauren, lauren.veritasfuturestrading@gmail.com, or you can call me, 770-715-3883. Guys, I appreciate you watching the video. It will be uploaded to both YouTube and Vimeo if anybody wants to see them again. Have a blessed day. I will try to do a video tomorrow for you guys. And certainly Monday, we're back in the room. And I will, as always, post my live statement on the website each day. So tomorrow you will have today's live brokerage statement posted to the site. As far as I'm aware, there's not another room posting a live statement daily. But in any event, have a blessed day. Happy New Year. See you guys tomorrow.